Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Xiaomi Sound Outdoor Bluetooth speaker and you're trying to figure out how to pair it with your Bluetooth device, with your iPhone, with your Android, etc. I'm going to explain real quickly how to do both. So basically how to connect it for the first time, which is very easy and automatic, and also what to do if you're having issues like you need to change it and pair it to something else and it's stuck paired on something and stuff like that. So we need to disconnect the pairing and everything like that. So this is a really easy process depending on whether it's already paired with something or it's not already paired with something. So very simply, from off state, you're just going to come in and press the power button for 2 seconds, and that will turn it on and automatically put it in pairing mode, and this will be accompanied by voice prompts that will tell you what's going on, and it will automatically pair to whatever you've had it paired with in the past. If you haven't already paired with something in the past, then you just want to go on your Bluetooth device and select Xiaomi Sound Outdoor from the list of available Bluetooth devices. If you're already paired to something and you need to change it, or if it's like stuck on something, pairing on the wrong thing, we can automatically disconnect the Bluetooth so that we can pair it to something new. All we need to do that is with it on. Obviously, it's going to be already paired to something. If we just come in and press and hold this Bluetooth button for 2 seconds, it will automatically disconnect the speaker from whatever it's connected to and then switch it right back into Bluetooth pairing mode so that we can then go on our device and again select the Xiaomi Sound Outdoor. Now, if you're still having issues with pairing after this, I suggest you reset the pairing, and I'll show you how to do that, and I'll put a link in the description to a video. So if this helped you, please leave a like button.